mataas ba ang score?
I don't know. I'm not looking forward to that, man.
Anyway, thank you so much, Mark. Any message to your fans and, of course, to the fans of Barangay Ginebra?
I know the fans are always there. Thank you for supporting us. And huwag kayong magsawa. And we'll see you in the games.
So, totoo ba yung narinig ko, Mark? Ihablo ko lang na once a Gene King, forever a Gene King si Mark Aguiwa.
Don't know. Of course. I feel that way, but you don't know what's gonna happen. So.
Thank you so much, Mark. And baka may nakalimutan ako itanong sir. Gusto mo ipapot sa mga...
Good. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Si Mark Aguiwa pa yun. Say hi to Lebron for me. Thank you so much si Mark the Spark Aguiwa. At ito, ilan pa rin sa mga drills na ginawa ko ni Mark Aguiwa kanina para ho patunayan sa inyo na okay na po yung kanya pong tuhod. Kasi yan po yung kanyang inireklamo at kanya pong isinasalang sa therapy 6 days a week. At ngayon naman, kapiling ko natin mga kaibigan ng ama ng Barangay Ginebra at malimit rin mo natin makausap dahil napakaraming humihingi ng update sa kanya. Walang iba kundi si Coach John Wichiko. Coach, magandang hapon po.
Good afternoon, Snow, and sa lahat ng nanonood.
Okay, so kumusta po ngayon yung Barangay Ginebra sir? Nakita namin yung inyong pong ensayo, nakita ko namin yung ilan sa mga system na posibleng i-implement yung po this coming conference. Pero sa inyo po, bilang kayo po yung talagang architect ng komponan, ano po yung bago ngayon sa inyo?
Wala naman bago kami. We're sticking to the team, no? Unless we make some change later on. Pero ang purpose na yan is trying to see the import, what he can and what he can't do, and how he will fit into the system.
And kumusta naman ho siya mag-fit sa system? Alam ko, medyo hindi niyo pa ho siya talaga na i-rotate o nabe-break in, pero sa paunahunin yung pagtataya, kumusta po?
So far, okay naman. We think he's a hard worker. We think he'll rebound. But until we see him in game situations, doon na kami makakapag-assess talaga kung bagay sa system.
Pero ito na po yung talagang gagamitin niyo po, perhaps at least sa unang mga games ko ng Barangay Ginebra.
Yes, siya ang gagamitin natin.
And kumusta naman po siya, sir, din kung kayan sa pag-adapt din po sa inyong system, sir?
Okay naman. He's a veteran and he picks up very fast. We're just seeing how he will gel with our local players kasi alam naman natin na we have some injured players and then hopefully we can get them together healthy the soonest.
Kaya po ba napakamot kanina nung na-injure po yung import ninyo?
Oo, medyo na-worry ako ng konti pero okay naman, nakapag-practice naman ulit tapos dinala siya sa hospital for x-ray. I think he'll be ready for tomorrow's practice.
Sir, isang bang reason kaya ginawa niyo si Avi Stories? Medyo malawak yung kanyang karansan sa European basketball at mukhang European style po yung Ginebra ngayon, di po ba?
Okay naman. We just had to get the first available. I don't want to panic or get pressured in picking up an import, especially close to the season. So we decided to get him. And he's a fairly good player naman.
Doon naman po sa inyong guard, sir, sa backcourt, mukhang punong-punong po yung inyong backcourt at isa ko kayo sa mga problemado ngayon kung paano ninyo kumbaga palala pa rin, o kumbaga palala rin lahat, o gagamitin lahat, i-activate lahat yun yung mga players. How do you solve this game po?
We'll see, no? Kasi naman, siyempre, di pa naman 100% yung mga iba. We still have 3 weeks. So, we'll have to assess their health if they're 100%, and then we make a decision there. Mas mabuti na yung mas maraming player kaysa walang player. So, okay naman.
Sir, may posible mo bang matuloy yung balansa, sir, na inaasahan sa Barangay Ginebra, sir?
We hope. No? We have to strengthen our team. There are trades going around, rumor trades going around. Some are true, some are not true. But ang position namin is we have to strengthen our team.
So sa ngayon, sir, kung if ever napapasok po kayo sa trade, ano po yung primarily na kukunin-unin?
Yes, we want a big man. We want a point guard. And hopefully we can get another versatile player. Hopefully. And yun pa lang hinahanap namin.
And do you think it will happen, sir? Magpo-push-through po yan, sir, before the conference starts, o po pwede kalagitnaan?
Pwedeng before, pwedeng kalagitnaan, pero something has to happen. Yun lang.
So sa ngayon, sir, nakikipag-usap na ho talaga kayo, aminin niyo po?
There are proposals on the table, whether things will happen or not. It's a question.
Okay. So yung Mark Cardona, sir, na maugong to Ginebra daw, ano po yun?
Hindi na alam eh. I don't know if there is any truth to that rumor. But alam ko, narinig ko na yon. And then, we welcome him if we are willing to give up who they are asking for. Pero wala pa naman.
Ngayon, sir, alam nyo, isa kayo sa favorite two coach pag tinanong ko kasi sino yung mga protected player, lagi kayo nagbabanggit eh. Sa ngayon, sir, sino yung mga protected player ng Ginebra?
the same naman. Actually, protected in the sense that we'd like to keep them as much as possible. No? But of course, if there is a really great opportunity to strengthen the team, then of course we'll have to always think about it.
So sa ngayon, sir, wala kang sinasabi talaga na unlike before na meron kang mga protected players. So sa ngayon, so far, wala.
So far, wala.
Thank you so much, Coach Joe. So ayan na, nato ng mga tanong ng mga fans sa Barangay Ginebra na itanong na natin. Coach, baka meron ako nakalimutan na i-question sa inyo. Gusto niyo ipaabot sa mga fans po ninyo, go ahead.
Wala naman, sa fans lang, yes, we fell short last conference and I hope we can pull through the second conference, hope we get healthy and hope we get new players to strengthen the team.